Hey guys, I am back with a Notion template and my free clip art. And I'm going to just really quick show you how you can use my free clip art in your Notion templates. All of my clip art has a transparent background. They come as PNGs. So you can just grab them like this in the file folder. They'll all be in one folder when you download them off my website. I'll show you that in a minute. And you can just click and drag them anywhere. Obviously, you can design, your Notion template better than this. This is just an example, and you can just click and drag them. And then you can also, if you want to use them as your icons, you can do that. So I'm going to do add an icon, go to custom, and then grab one of these here. And if for ever any reason you need to resize these, you can always use something like Canva if you need. I work with a lot of my stuff in Affinity products, Affinity Designer, Affinity Publisher, but Canva's free. So if you ever want to resize your images, you can do that. Because these are a little bigger than the recommended. So if it's ever slowing down your Notion template, I haven't seen that happen yet, but if you need to resize them, go ahead and do that. So I will just bring over my website here. So it's speconaspec.com, and I will link that. And then you can go up here to where it says clip art. There's a ton of different categories, but if you just want to look through all of it, just click the clip art button. And then all of these come, each of the sets come in a zip folder. So once you unzip the file, all of the images from that pack will be in one folder. And it'll look just like this. So you can easily drag and drop them. I recommend having a folder called Spec on a Spec so that you can keep track of all the free stuff you download on my website. I'll be adding more clip art, but I have food and watercolor, black and white ones, animals, these little envelopes you could use if you wanted. So you would go into the article, and then you just go down to where it says download free envelope clip art images. And then there's some instructions if you need help. Otherwise, you can just leave a comment on this video if you have any questions. But yeah, just let me know what kind of clip art you'd like to see next. You can use these in your Notion templates. And if you are also a GoodNotes user or something like that, you can always use these in your GoodNotes notebooks and planners too. So let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day. Thanks.